video to show week after you saw that I won, but you see the thing is I'm on the long gamer tag. You see I'm on 10 Puppet and I'm speaking, so yeah, this is week 10 minutes after that. So before the game started, we sent a message inviting to the party, as you see the time, and no mic, whatever. And I said, it's you, it's me, and I want to play on this account. He said, get on your other account, and no, I'm not letting you play on that. And then I said, what the game would just get cancelled if both teams get no show proof and stuff like that. And I said, why don't I just do it? And he said, because I don't know, don't even know it's you, and yeah, I know Mackie. That was just something I asked him. And then after the game, after the rage quit, I sent him a message saying, well, you played the game all the way through, and according to those, that means you accepted all those and gamer tags and stuff like that. So where's the game? Because you backed out. It said, I never played View Legit, got the no show proof on PBR, and will escalate if I needed, well, some glamour 6 terabyte, whatever. As you see, he's just admitted that I am View Legit, and he's just trying to get no show proof off it now. And trying to scrub the win off it that way, even though he got beat, as you'll see in the video. So, GG guys. I hope you guys make the right decision. I'll escalate it anyway. Good game.